Hello, everyone.
I am David. Ever feel like your mornings are a chaotic whirlwind of forgotten items, rushed breakfasts, and a race against the clock?
Well, let me tell you about a morning at my house.
It started like this.
Oh, no.
It is 7 o'clock. David, wake up.
Wake up, David.
We are late.
We overslept.
What?
What time is it, Mom?
It is 7:30. School starts at 8 o'clock.
Oh, no. 7:30? Oh, no. Okay. Okay, Mom. Let's move quickly. Anna.
Tom, wake up.
Wake up, kids. Time to go. Mom, just 5 more minutes.
Please, Mom. 5 more minutes, Mom.
I am so tired. No 5 more minutes today, my loves.
No.
We are going to school. My little sweetheart, come out of bed, my love. Wake up. Stretch out.
Come on, buddy.
Time to wake up. School is waiting. Okay, Dad. I am awake. Every morning, it is a big race. First, clothes. We need 2 sets of underwear, 2 new pairs of socks, shorts for Tom, a skirt for Anna, and 2 new uniform shirts. Everything is ready now. Okay, Anna, try this shirt. Oh, wow. It fits, Mom. It is nice. Good. Now, Tom, put on your shorts. Quickly. Then the bathroom fun. Now, brush your teeth, Anna. Brush them well.
I brush my teeth, Mom.
Look. Good job. Tom, wash your face. Wash your face completely. I washed my face, Mom. It is wet. And then breakfast.
Time to eat.
Breakfast is waiting, my loves.
Don't be too slow, kids.
Breakfast is waiting.
Let's go. Okay, kids. Sit down. Eat your breakfast. Mom, I want soft drink. Please.
No, Anna.
Not good for health every day. Drink your milk.
Super delicious sandwiches, Mom.
Thank you for breakfast. You are welcome, my dear. Eat more. Breakfast is not just about eating. It is also about packing. Breakfast? Check. Water bottle? Check. Homework? Where is your homework, Tom?
It is on the table, Mom.
I finished it yesterday. Oh, thank goodness. And coffee for us, David. Of course, Mom. No morning without coffee. Mom, I packed my notebook and pencils. Good job, Anna. Very good.
Tom, do you have your lunchbox? Oh, right.
My lunchbox. I forgot it. Maybe Anna wants to eat air today, Mom. Not funny. David, we still need to go. Lunch is ready. The car is ready. We leave in 10 minutes, everyone. 10 minutes? Oh, no. I haven't brushed my hair yet. Mom, you look fine. You always look fine, Mom. Thank you, my dear. You are so sweet.
The final checklist before we leave.
Okay, checklist. Backpack? Check.
Lunchbox, Tom?
Check.
Perfect. Let's go now.
Wait.
My toy car again.
Where is it?
Here it is, Tom.
It is on the couch.
Good.
Thank you, Dad.
Let's go, everyone.
Before you miss class.
Hurry.
And that is just the beginning.
Good morning, everyone.
Going to school.
All right, Dad.
Hop in. Yes, please.
Seat belts on.
I am excited.
I like school. Dad, do schools have big playgrounds? Yes, Anna.
Very big playgrounds.
You will like it. That's great.
Oh no.
Traffic.
Please move, cars.
Relax, my dear.
The school is not far. We will get there.
Mom, what will I do at school today?
You will learn, Tom.
You will play. You will read.
And you will have fun.
I want to draw today, Mom.
And maybe listen to my teacher.
Yes, Anna.
And no talking in class too much.
Listen to Miss Sarah.
Yes, Dad.
I will listen.
Finally, we arrive.
Here we are. The school. Thank you, Dad.
Have a good day, Tom.
Sure I will, Dad.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Dad.
See you later, kids.
We will pick you up after school.
Wow. So many kids. And a big, big playground.
Good morning, Tom.
Anna, welcome.
Good morning, Miss Sarah.
That was a busy morning. Every morning feels the same. Like a big, tiring race.
Oh, my head.
Wake up quickly, sleepyheads.
Please, Mom, not so soon. My head is spinning right now. I can't continue this.
I need to find a pair of socks, some shorts,
And my uniform shirt. Where is my uniform?
Hi, Mom.
What do we have for breakfast today?
cereal, and milk.
But we are missing a spoon.
Thank you, Mom.
The kids saw this. They saw Mom getting tired. They saw Mom working so hard. Mom is going crazy. Definitely. Or Mom is very sick. What should we do, Tom? Anna, I have an idea.
Good idea, Tom.
Good idea. So, the next morning, something amazing happened. Change clothes, Anna. Check the list, Tom.
Ready.
Coffee for Mom.
And a sandwich with butter for her.
Flowers for Mom. Mom!
Dad. What?
What is happening? Mom, we understand everything now.
No more being naughty, Mom.
We will just be sweet kids.
We promise to do our best.
Every morning, we will help you.
Oh, my sweet children.
Thank you. Thank you. So, our mornings are still busy, but now, with teamwork, they are much easier.
And full of love.
If you've ever had a morning this wild, hit that like button and subscribe to White Eagle for more relatable family adventures and funny stories.